Hello everybody, today I'm going to review these headphones. This is Anker Soundcore Live Q10 headphones. I got them at the price of rupees 3000 from Flipkart, and this was the only color available. As you can see, it is black on the outside and red on the inside. It has a cushion lining over here, as you can see, and it is quite comfortable. These are over ear headphones. You can see the size of the cups are quite big, and here you can see that it's mentioned that this is the right ear cup and this is the left ear cup, and the cushion is quite comfortable, and it has memory foam which gets adjusted to your ears according to your shape of the ear, and it's very comfortable. I got them at the price of rupees 3000 on Flipkart, and you can see that this is the bass up button, this is the volume up and volume down button, and this is the power on button, on and off. The speciality of this headphone is that it is both wired and wireless. It has Bluetooth 5.0 as well as an aux cable connection. So you can use it without charging also through the aux port. You can check it out. This is the aux port and this is the charging port. It has a type C charging port, and as you can see, this has a metallic finish. These are the adjustment bands and it is made of metal. It weighs around 460 grams. So it is quite okay, not that heavy. It's not that light but not that heavy also. But it's a very good comfortable fit. And these are foldable also, as you can see. So you can carry it in your backpack and easily. So this is how these looks. Look wise, it's a great thing. It looks really well, really nice, and quite fashionable also. This comes in this sort of packaging. You can see this is the box. So also I forgot to tell you, it has a 60-hour playback time. That is like quite huge. So if you're on the move and you have online classes or work from home now, since the situation is like work from home and everything for everybody, you need not worry about the charging and use it continuously for 60 hours playback. That's massive amount of playback. Also, if you're running out of charge, you just charge it like for 5 minutes and it runs for 5 hours. Isn't that awesome? Look at the packaging. This is how it looks. And along with this, there's a user manual and we have a aux 3.5mm aux cable, as you can see. This is the aux port which you connect it here, and this goes to the 3.5mm jack of your phone or laptop. You can use it all without charging also. So this is an added advantage if you're running out of charge or you're not a charging person. You can use this aux cable. This comes with a type C cable, USB cable. You'll have to insert this type C port into the jack over here, and this port to the charger. So let's go up to the specifications now. Let's have a look. We're speaking about Anker Soundcore Live Q10 and the price is 3000 currently when I got it. I think I got it 2 weeks ago or something. It has a massive 60 hours of playback The power button can be used to pause or play the videos or receive calls or even cut the calls. And the up and down plus and minus button is used to volume up and volume down the thing. And there's a bass up button also. When you click it, it'll go to the bass mode. And when you click it again, it comes back to the normal mode. It has a Type-C charging cable. And these are over-ear headphones. And as I told you before, if you charge it for 5 minutes, it's enough for it to keep running for 5 hours. Isn't that nice? Also, it has Bluetooth 5.0 and aux cable compatibility. Isn't that nice? Wired and wireless headphones all in one. And Bluetooth 5 is compatible with Bluetooth 4, 4.1 and 4.2. So go check the specification of your device online and check whether this headphone is compatible with your laptop or mobile phone. And if your budget is around 3000, do give it a try. This is actually a nice headphone. These views are my personal views. This is not a sponsored video. I got these headphones for my personal usage, and I thought I should make a review on them. So in no way this content is sponsored. This is exclusively my review. The only con for this is it is a bit slightly heavy. This weighs 460 grams. If you're used to wearing lighter headphones, you might feel that this is a bit heavy at the starting, but later you might get used to this. But the quality is really nice, and these are over-ear headphones, and you will not feel any pain in your ears. At least I did not feel it. And the build quality is really nice. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.